started. So the first thing we want to talk about before we even begin is symmetry. A lot of us probably know what symmetry is, but if you don't, if you're looking at this, basically there's a center line, and from that center line there's a reflection. So if you want to think about it a little more simple, you can kind of think of a butterfly. Whatever is on this side is reflected to the other side, and on our bug we're going to use that same idea. So symmetry. Step one on your piece of paper is to fold it hot dog style. So not long ago in one of our lessons we talked about the difference between hamburger, hot dog. So you're folding it the long ways, you're finding the crease, you're finding the edges, and you want to give it a good solid creased line down the middle. Now after you do this, the second step is to have that folded in half. So you're going to keep it closed, and then on one side, notice how it opens here, but on the side where it creased together, that's going to be kind of the bottom point, or the bottom area of where you're going to be writing your name. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my other paper where I have this ready. Remember, this line is the center. And you can see on mine where I've written my name in cursive. Now when I wrote my name in cursive, I tried to make it so that the letters touch the bottom. If you don't know how to write in cursive yet, now's a wonderful opportunity to learn and use it for this project, because it really does have the best effects if you do it in cursive. Now, if you can't do cursive or you're struggling with it a little bit, you can do your name in print, but it doesn't quite look as cool. So give it a try. I know you guys can do it. So I wrote my name in cursive. After you write your name in cursive, you're going to find a window, okay? Don't do this at nighttime. But during the daytime where the light's coming through the window, you're going to come to the window. So on this side, my name is written. All I'm doing is I'm flipping it, okay? So I'm going to flip it, I'm going to put it up against the window, and exactly what I see is what I'm going to trace. And your name is going to be backwards at this point, so that's normal. You want it that way. But I'm just going to trace in over the name that I wrote on the other side. Once you do that, for your next step, you're going to open it up so you can kind of see what it looks like here. And this is going to be the point where you can draw in wings, eyes, antennas, whatever you prefer, because at this point you're designing your own bug. So I really want to encourage you guys to go in. I want you to look up different types of bug features, what they look like, their colors, their texture, their patterns, so you still kind of have the effect of what might be a real bug. It's pretty cool. Then you can go in, you can color it in with whichever supplies you have, whether it's markers, crayons, color pencils.